Imagine your body is like a car. Most people keep adding fuel all day. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, more snacks, dinner. The engine never really stops. Now imagine this instead. You fill the tank once, then you let the engine run without adding more fuel for the rest of the day. What happens? That's what one meal a day, OMAD, is about. Research, including studies published in Cell Metabolism, shows that changing when you eat, even if you eat the same amount, can improve blood sugar control and sometimes blood pressure. Today, I'll explain what happens inside your body, hour by hour, when you eat just once a day. This isn't about willpower, it's about biology. What is OMAD? OMAD stands for one meal a day. You eat all your calories within about 1 hour. Then you fast for the next 23 hours. That long fasting window is where the real changes happen. The meal isn't the interesting part. The 23 hours without food is. Hours 0 to 4 after eating. Right after your meal, your body enters store mode. Blood sugar rises. Insulin is released. Insulin moves sugar into your cells so you can use it for energy. While insulin is high, your body burns very little fat. It doesn't need to, you just gave it fresh fuel. During these hours, your body is simply processing and storing nutrients. A few hours later, insulin begins to drop. Now your body switches to stored sugar, called glycogen. Think of glycogen as your short-term battery. Most people refill this battery before it runs low, because they eat again. With OMAD, you don't refill it. Eventually, glycogen levels fall. And that's when your metabolism shifts. Hours 12 to 16, 5 to 7. When stored sugar gets low, your body switches fuel sources. It begins breaking down fat. Fat cells release energy. Your liver converts some of that fat into ketones, small molecules that can fuel your brain. Some people feel sharp and focused here. Others feel tired. Both reactions are normal. Your body is learning to switch between fuel sources. That ability is called metabolic flexibility, and it's a key reason some people thrive on fasting. Hours 16 to 23, 7 to 9. Now you're deep into the fast. Insulin is low. Fat burning is higher. Growth hormone increases, which helps protect muscle while your body uses fat for fuel. There's also a process called autophagy, identified by scientist Yoshinori Osumi, where cells begin recycling damaged parts. Think of it like cellular cleanup. Hunger also changes during this time. It doesn't keep rising forever. It comes in waves. If you wait, it often passes. That surprises many people. The first week can be challenging. You may feel tired, irritable, or get headaches. Your body is adjusting to longer periods without food. Stress hormones like cortisol may rise temporarily to release stored energy. If you're already stressed or sleep-deprived, this can feel harder. OMAD is a stress on the body. Not always harmful, but still a stress. Weeks 2 to 4, fat loss. By week 2, many people feel more stable. Hunger becomes predictable. Energy improves. Weight loss often happens, partly because it's difficult to overeat in one sitting, and partly because insulin stays low longer, allowing more fat burning. Early weight loss includes water weight. That's normal. But remember, OMAD is not magic. If your one meal is mostly processed food, results will suffer. Food quality still matters. Will you lose muscle? If you eat enough protein and do resistance training, you can maintain most of it. Growth hormone helps, but research suggests spreading protein across meals may build muscle more efficiently than eating it all at once. For blood sugar control, fasting may improve insulin sensitivity in some people. But long-term calorie restriction can also slow thyroid hormones in certain individuals. In women especially, very low energy intake for too long can disrupt menstrual cycles. Your body responds to energy availability, not dieting trends. Psychological effects. Some people love OMAD. They feel focused and free from constant food decisions. Others think about food all day. If someone has a history of restrictive eating, OMAD can intensify those thoughts. Food isn't just fuel, it's social, emotional, cultural. Your mental response matters as much as the metabolic one. When you eat one meal a day, your body doesn't shut down. It adapts. Insulin drops, fat burning rises. Cells may clean themselves. For some people, it works well. For others, it adds too much stress. OMAD is not magic. It's not automatically dangerous either. It's a tool. And the real question isn't, does OMAD work? It's, is it right for you?